Audience analysis involves examining and understanding your audience. It considers characteristics, needs, and expectations. Key factors include demographics, interests, knowledge level, and attitudes. The goal is to tailor your message effectively. This ensures the message resonates, engages, and achieves the desired impact.
Do you often feel that your message isn't resonating? Is understanding your audience a bit tricky for you? You have tried different ways but still failed? Audience analysis is the solution to bridge the gap between you and your targeted audience. It's all about understanding who they are, demographics, age, location, income, etc. Needs and goals. What are their pain points and aspirations? Media consumption. Where do they get their information? Understanding your audience is more than just data. It's about connecting with their motivations and needs. Hire that word marketing experts and set clear goal to grab your desired audience.